Hello everyone. So in today's lectures we will see the link analysis, what is called the link analysis. So up to this point we have seen that the measuring quality of the web pages. So now what is called the link analysis? So link analysis, that means whenever you are searching anything, at that time there is some links which has been given on a website. So when the website has given a link, at that time the link is also considered for the website for ranking purpose. So that's why the link analysis is an important point for this purpose. So now here we will see the search engine uses a link analysis to get the number of links to a website or a web pages. So search engine uses the link analysis to get the number of links to a website or a web pages. So in our scenarios we can see that suppose there is only one page. So in a single page so many link is available. So the link analysis is work on that things. Say for example, suppose if you are visiting any website, here we will see the example of Saurashtra University. So when you goes to the Saurashtra University web page or a website, at that time you will got so many links. So here you can see out how many links is that, which link is available. See here home page is there, organization, in organization, about university, vision and mission, message from the vice chancellor, message from the pro vice chancellor. So these all are the links which has been given on your menu. As you know, whenever you are developing any project, at that time you are giving a link one page to another page. So this is the things here in link analysis. They also get a feedback of the site and pages. So link analysis also get a feedback of the site and page. Whatever the page is there, they will get the feedback. It also gives an information about past link data, registration, record of the site, and also provide a trustworthy links to the site. So in your website so many links are also called a trustworthy links. That means your link is providing a proper information. When your link is providing a proper information, it will gives you an increasing the chances of your ranking. Significance of the site can be known by combining the link analysis with the semantic analysis. So here the next continuous point is called semantic analysis, is combining the link analysis. That means you are working on a circular manners and you will got the result. Whenever a user enters a query for a search engine use a semantic analysis to get the web pages which are quite relevant to a search keywords. So whenever a user write any queries on a search engine, it will use a semantic analysis to display the web pages to the user, and this is quite relevant to your keywords. Means when your keyword is matching with the web pages, at that time it will gives you an result for your application. Then search engine would get the site which have the most significant link. The site linking would be checked. It gives the site which are linked to each other. The search engine what do? The search engine will got the links of a website, and this website link are checked by the search engine. When the link is search engine checked by the web pages, at that time it will search on a particular web pages, check it out how many links is available, and If the link is available, then how this link is useful to the user. Such linking of a site with each other is called a neighborhood. When the link is connected with each other, near about link is there. Say for example, we have seen a website is called about XYZ, in which there are about us pages, contact us pages, mission and vision pages is there. Then these all are connected with each other, then it's called a neighborhood link. Simple example, in Saurashtra University website we will see the organization. So organization hierarchy is given here, about university, mission and vision, vice chancellor message from the pro vice chancellor. So these all are the neighborhood link. When you click on a particular message, mission and mission of the Saurashtra University, you will got the result, and this is called a neighborhood link. Suppose you go down the bottom, that is a degree forms and result and a quick access is there. So these all are the neighborhood links. When you click on a particular and there is a connection with each other, then this type of things is called a neighborhood. The neighborhood is useful for find the site linking with the numbers and quality of links which may be important to the sites. So neighborhood is useful for the site linking with the number and quality of the links which may be important to site. If the quality of your link is important, why? The things is that if the quality is good, then the user is directly connected with your website. There are many links attached to a website other than the neighborhood links. So here you will see in the website also many links attached to a website other than the neighborhood links. So here you will go to the bottom of the website. There are so many links is providing. So UGC link is there, NANC link is there, NMEICT link there, NSDL link is there. If you open a particular web page or a link, then it will give another window and another website. This is not directly connected, but the neighborhood link is given here. See, UGC website is there, NAC website is there. So here what this says, there are many links attached to a website other than the neighborhood links. So in every pages or in any pages of a web, there are the links which are not neighborhood but they are attached to your website. Then this type of links is called a neighborhood links. These links may be of non-relevant link. Still, it may not clear which link are used by the search engine for ranking purpose. Even though relevant links have more importance of links depends on where they are implemented and kept. So here the things is clearing out. These links may not be relevant links. Still it may not clear which links are used by search engine for ranking purpose. So here you will see an example. Suppose I will go to the directly on Saurashtra University website and I will see the view source of this page. So when I will see the view source of this page, at that time it will give us so many links. So when the link is here available, so many, at that time what this statement says, search engine for ranking purpose, which link are used? Search engine don't know which link are used for the searching purpose, for the retrieval purpose, because the things is that here you will given a text on every link or a anchor text, you can say it. So this anchor text is given here, but search engine what says, they don't know which link will get the ranking of a purpose, because the things is that they will be importance to link depends on whether they are implemented or kept. Where the link is implemented and kept, it will be shown here. So at that time, when the search engine don't know, at that time the algorithm is working in between. The link text would give the details to the search engine. Here we can see the officer of the vice chancellor, office of the pro vice chancellor, university officers. So these things are given as the text details to the search engine. The link text is known as a anchor text. If the text is keyword rich, then it would increase the ranking in search engine. If the text is keyword, say for example, suppose here we are using a university, about university. So university may be keyword. Suppose you are using officers, in officers there may be keyword. So this is called, the link text is known as an anchor text. If the text is keyword, means university, officers, keyword rich, then it would increase their ranking in search engine. Suppose if you are providing a keyword in anchor text, then it may be a keyword, and if the keyword is there, then you will increase your website page result. Along with the link text, the content surrounding the link on the page as well as the overall content of the site are considered by search engine for link rankings. So here the same things is the link text and content surrounding the link on the page. Say for example, the content, what is called the content? Suppose here the about us, we will see the about us, the about university. So here the content is providing which are the mission and vision is there. Here I will searching out mission. So here see the paragraphs. To be a vanguard of knowledge in the domain of higher learning achieve. See here I will selecting out the particular points. So this may be your content, and if the content is there and in your content there is a keyword, then this keyword is also identified by search engine. So here what the statement says, that along with the link text, the content surrounding the link on a page, means here you will see the link page you have given already. So link page content surrounding your link page as well as the overall content of the site are considered by search engine for link rankings. So these are the things when the search engine is also consider your keyword as a link ranking. Then the next point is called evaluating a social media signals. So what's called the social media signals? So whenever you are using any particular social media, not even one but more than so many social medias are available on the market. So social media, when you click on a particular like button, at that time you have link. Suppose there is a one videos, there is a one image, and you will like or touch the particular videos. When you touch the particular videos, at that time this is called a link. When you touch or link the particular videos or images, at that time it will consider as a click. In previous lectures we have seen the click tracking or paid click. If your click is higher, then the opportunity to increase your web page's ranking. So here the same things is given on the social media signals. So with the growth of social media, many new signs are created for search engine to consider. Social networking sites have created many ways of sharing the content among the user. So many social networking sites available on the market. Say for example, the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, so many social networking websites are available. So they are create the content for sharing among the user. In Facebook, in Instagram, in Twitter, you can see so many images are edited by the user and put on the particular user. So many content, so many stories are in good quality, so user may like it, user may share it, user may check it. So this may use your ranking. So here what the social networking site says, create a content and sharing among the user. Website like Facebook, Twitter and many others are used for this purpose. So websites like Facebook and Twitter and so many other networking sites are used this type of purpose to develop a content, means details. Some of the text is there in content, some of the videos in there text, some of the motivational speech is there in the videos or images. So these all are the content. Content, that means the own ideas, own creativity, own words they have given some things to new the user. So these are developed by the social networking sites, and so many users nowadays are providing this type of content which will be useful to the user. User can show an importance of the content shared by using a like button. So user can share the content, and also if they like the particular content, then they will like it. The like button can be considered somewhat similar to a link. As previously I have told, the like button is considered somewhat similar to a links. The same things continues out. The shared content which has the most likes can be considered of having a more value. Search engine are collaborating with social networking sites. So shared contents are considered for more values, because suppose I have put a one image, one videos, that images and that videos are shared by another content, so another user. So another user's friends, relatives or any other person can view these things, so it will consider having more values. Search engine are collaborating with social networking sites. So nowadays the search engine is also collaborate with social networking site to increase the content of a particular website. So here you will see the Saurashtra University website. There is a content which has been provided here. You can see the mouse is moving. Facebook is there, Twitter is there, Instagram is there, YouTube. So these are the content sharing of your website in social medias. Search engine are including valued content of social networking website on their search result. Social networking website have become a popular in search ranking. So search engine are including the content which may be useful for this, and social networking websites has become a popular search rankings. So now the next point is problem words, disambiguous and diversities. So what is called problem with words? Some words turn to be a challenge for search engine. This caused by ambiguity among the various keyword search. So many times the words which are not considered by search engine, it is the difficult task for the search engine and it's a challenge for it. Simple example we will see, the Jaguar. Jaguar, that means Jaguar is a car also, Jaguar is a animal also. So when you type only Jaguar, at that time search engine have a challenge. What information to give the user? When the Jaguar is writing, at that time the Jaguar is animal and the user is searching for the car. If the Jaguar is car displaying to the user, at that time the user is searching the Jaguar animal. So this is the things. At that time the search engine has also challenges. Search engine have the task to remove an ambiguity and give a relevant output to the user. This is the task of the search engine, to remove this type of completeness and to remove these things and give the relevant output to the user. If the relevant output is available, then user will engage with the website. For doing this, search engine look at the history of the search performed by the user. So these things is what when happen when the search engine have a past history of the user, which type of search is performed by the user, and when the search engine has got these details, then it will gives you the result in a proper way. What are the requirements of you, and it gives as per your requirements the thing. So these are the tasks of the search engine to remove this type of the outputs. If the past history is there, then search is performed very well. This history details can be used to know the user's intent, how the user is searching on a web page. So that time the user intent is also considered. It can also be given information about the search entities. When the history is shaken out, at that time the information is also searched by the entities, which entity is using. Ambiguity can be also solved by showing the additional different result to the user. So many times the additional different result is also providing, because the things is that if the user will not get the proper result, so at that time the near about result is providing to the users. It can be done by using a horizontal search. As you know what is called the horizontal search. The result appears when the search engine can provide an additional result to the user search keywords. So this type of result is providing by the users when they are using a search result. So here we have here the example is also given an additional result. If we search a home insurance, then Google horizontal search would give the following outputs. So here you will see the example, same example we will see in out here. Then after next examples we also see the home insurance. If I am typing in the Google search engine insurance, it will gives the result to me. So many website is available, see here. But what is called additional result? So additional result, that means related to your search. Your search is home insurance, but you may also search these things on a website. SBI home insurance policy bazaar, home insurance online. So these are the things which you want to check it out. So here search related to a home insurance, at that time the search engine is providing different result. Now we are searching and it will gives you another result. So same things, I am also here writing down the pizza shop. And click here. So I am not mentioning out the location of the pizza shop, but it will give a near about result. See here, this is the called as Jetpur, Doraji, Gondal. But related result is also discovering you. See more places you can visit, particular visa place. So these are the different things when it will gives you a result. The basic idea is to have algorithm which provides a diversified result which can enhance the user search result. So this is the basic ideas which enhance your result. Search engine provide a way of personalizing result for search users. These results are based on user search history and past search patterns. So these results are based on the search history and the past search, whatever the user has a search, after that they will give you an result. So now the next point is that where pressness matters. So what is called the pressness? Pressness means updating something, gives an updated information to the user. Most of the search engine delivers a result from their older source available. So many search engines are giving you a result which are available on older source. That means older data. These resources are the one which are tested successfully. Now these sources needed to be updated by new source of information. for this new information should be indexed by search engine. We can take an example of news channel. If the new information is available, then it will also gives an indexing on search engine. The example is given a news channel. Whenever the news channel receive any updated news, it will directly highlighted on the search engine also. If you want to see here, we will see in one example of yahoo.com. And click on this. When the Yahoo website is open, at that time it gives you a latest news. See here, what is the latest news of current hours, before minutes or seconds. So these all are the latest news, because the things is that the news is updated. Even also the Yahoo is providing a facility of news. If you click on the news, then it will gives you a latest updated news. Same news is available before minutes or 15 minutes or maximum 13 minutes older. More than that it will not may not be older the result. So here the things is that the news information should be indexed by the search engine. We can take an example. This channel always shows updated output. Search engine use query freshness techniques for updating. So the news channel is providing you an updated output. At that time the search engine gives you a updated output based on the query freshness techniques which updating the news. Query QDF, query deserve freshness, takes the following factors into consider for updating the output. So searching the quantity, how many number of users search, news coverages, blog coverages, indicating various social networking sites, toolbar data if present. Is all the information is providing by the query deserve freshness, and this query deserve freshness will helpful to the user to update their news. So these things is also considered for deserve freshness. QDF can be used to apply minutes by minutes update because it is used in many sites like news channels, e-commerce website, new product release, and many others. So query deserve freshness is applied to minute because so many sites, so many things is using news channels, e-commerce are providing updated news, updated offers, updated prices. If any product is launched, then it gives all the result to the user. Query deserve freshness can be used to provide a good search quantity result. Many logical efforts are put into search engine algorithm to overcome the various issues faced by search engine, but still fails in some context. So it's a limitation. So many times the query deserve freshness is not providing the proper result. This algorithm fails when the user's internet are clear and when the search keywords are multiple meanings. See here the same examples I will providing you. The search keyword are multiple meanings. See, we will now see the live example. Here I am typing down the Googles and writing down the images of Jaguar. I am not mentioning out Jaguar car or animal, and when I click on images of Jaguar, at that time it will gives me a Jaguar image, but with the Jaguar there is a one car. So now if you go down the bottom, then there is next car, here also Jaguar car, here also Jaguar car. So now you will see the both result, combining result is providing to you peoples, because the search engine have a dual meaning. See here, we will see the zoom. Is it clearing out the Jaguar car or not? Because we want also to see the Jaguar car is here or another car. So here I have opened the car, I have opened in next tab, and here you will see the Jaguar XJ50 launch in India. The price is so and so. So Jaguar 2020 XJ spy shots. So these are the result, because the result has a dual meaning. We have not specified, so that's why. So here this is the symbol of the Jaguar, because dual meaning. If I am only type here the images of Jaguar car, then it only display me cars, not any animals in full pages. When you go any pair on this page, you will not get any single Jaguar animal in the images, because you specified Jaguar car, and you specified the Jaguar car. Search engine consider that the Jaguar car is required to the user, not animal is required. And if you change the keyword, and here I am writing down only Jaguar animal, so it only gives me an output as a Jaguar animal, not gives an output of Jaguar car, because I have specified Jaguar. I need the output of Jaguar animal, I don't need Jaguar car. So these are the dual meaning. When you do not have specified, at that time the search engine is also confusing. So here so many times the search engine is not giving you a proper result. So up to this point, I think you all are clear these things.